Hello and welcome. I'm Kevin, and this is the Real Laptop Lifestyle. Now, today I'm recording a video entitled List Building Lifestyle. Now, if you want to build your own email list, if you want to make money from emailing, I can't blame you if you do, because this is my main pursuit. This is going to show you how to get started really quickly, really inexpensively. So let's get straight into it. Just give me 5 minutes and I'm going to demonstrate big wow. Taking what follows seriously will be life-changing, and I'm not joking. You showed an interest in getting into email marketing, and what I'm going to do is show you how to get, or I get 200 red-hot email leads every day for just $1 a day. Let me say it again, 200 red-hot leads every day for just $1 a day. And I'm going to teach you how to do the same. So fasten your seatbelt. You won't find a better way of getting into email marketing than this. Seriously, you won't. You'll spend a lot more money and get very little result. This will get you big results if you follow what I'm about to show you. You won't find a more cost-effective way of getting started. So let me tell you about email marketing, the truth. I've been doing it now for about 16 or 17 years, and in that time it really has advanced. I would say that 85–90% of my income comes through email marketing. It really is a fantastic way of making a living because I help people. That's exactly what I do. I find the problems and challenges that people have, and I find solutions to them. And very often those solutions are affiliate products. So I make money out of them while helping them. So that's the truth about email marketing. If I lost every penny tomorrow, everything but my email lists, I could come back and I could be fluid again very, very quickly, because having your own email list, especially if you look after them and nurture them, is a bit like having your own private bank. And I'm not joking. You really can make money quickly and consistently. In just a few minutes each day, that's all it needs, or this process anyway. My emails take me a bit longer. I probably spend about half hour, an hour most mornings writing an email before moving on to writing video scripts like this one. So simply rinse and repeat what I'm about to show you. Keep what's successful and generates profit, and replace or upgrade what doesn't. It really is that simple. Now, anyone can do what I'm about to show you, including you. So there's no excuses. Why this? Well, I'm about to show you a system called My Leadgen. It's secret, not success. I don't know why I keep calling it success. Sorry about that. My Leadgen secret. Now, My Leadgen secret is actually a symbiotic multi-level marketing, multi-level money-making opportunity. It's not multi-level marketing. It's just it goes across multi-levels. You'll understand it all in just a moment. Now, as I already mentioned, I love helping other people. If I can help other people make a profit at the same time, there is no better way of making a living. And this is exactly what My Leadgen secret is. We need to show people who subscribe to it, they become our immediate downline, how to make money. Now, if they make money, then we make money also. So we make it easy for them. And this really is easy. It's really simple and easy to generate a profit. There are many ways to generate a profit. Now, I'm going to show you 3 ways of generating a profit. One of them is going to be My Leadgen secret, but you can use these leads in any way that you wish, as I'll show you in just a minute. Basically, it's a copy and paste system and then harvest the rewards. And it's really expensive. Did I say it's just $1 a day? Because that's all you have to pay out. They'll pay you whenever you want or wherever you want, making it a pretty good opportunity. It's a complete profit system. Every week, if you use My Leadgen secret, you'll receive either 700 or 1,400 very highly targeted email leads. Now, you might say, well, why 700 or 1,400? That's 100 or 200 a day. Well, all you have to do is subscribe one person underneath you, and they'll give you 200 rather than 100 emails a day. Now, that doesn't double up and get more and more and more and more. It'd be very exciting if it did. It just goes from 100 to 200. And that is some serious emailing. If you, well, that gives you 3,000 or 6,000 emails each and every month. And even if you're not using them for my lead gen secret, I'm having a problem with that. You can use them any way you wish. You've got tremendous potential to make money. I think I made, well, I'll tell you about how much I made in just a moment, but it's not really about what I made. It's about what you can make, the potential. Okay, you can also email past leads every day if you wish. You don't have to write emails. If you're going to join up under me, if you want to use my lead gen secret, I'll give you the emails. I'll give you the emails I've been using, the ones that are successful. So how does it work? Well, let me show you. Okay, well, quite obviously, first you have to join my lead gen success. Now, the cost of this is pound, I'm from England, as you can tell, $1 a day. But there is a $30 joining fee. So it'd be $60 the first month, then $30 a month after that, and you get 200 emails or 100 emails every single day. So first join, and then you can start sending emails. Now, as I mentioned already, you'll get either 100 or 200 emails every day, and all you have to do to drive up to 200 is subscribe one person beneath you. I have quite a lot now. So what are these emails? What's the interest? It's making money. So these people really want to make money, just like you, I presume. So you can use these emails in 3 different ways that I can think of right now. ClickBank, Warrior Forum, JVZoo. These are affiliate platforms that I use every day. And the first couple of days, I drove them to Warrior Forum, a Warrior Forum product via one of my emails. And I made just short of $300 in 2 days. That's not bad, is it? Or if you wish, and I also did this as well, did the 2 things at the same time, I drove some to an email list. Now, as I told you, email marketing is my game. I would prefer to get somebody on my list and educate them, build shall we say, a relationship with them, get them to trust me, and then I'll introduce them to some ideas for going forward, and it becomes an easy sell, and they'll stay on your list for a long time very often. I think I drove in 2 days 30 people to my email list. So you've got 3 methods. You can go for my lead gen secret, you can drive to affiliate products, which is really easy if you haven't done it before, or you can build your own lists. What's next? Okay, the alternative, this is what I did. I drove them to my lead gen secret. It's a passive income stream. When you've generated it once, it keeps paying you. You don't have to go out and generate it again and again. It just builds. And this is what I suggest you promote. Now, everything is included. If you subscribe today, you're going to get the email platform. You don't have to go and buy an autoresponder, all the technical support you need. However, if you fancy this idea and you buy through my link, you're also going to get access to the 10 Plus Club. That's a Facebook group. I'll show you in just a while. You're going to get personal assistance from me. I'll help you. I'll answer all of your questions. I'll give you my emails. I'll make suggestions, and I'll help you train your downline also. So how much does it pay? For everybody, there are 5 levels in my lead gen success. There's level 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this guy's pretty excited. I really wish I had as much energy as him. Now, every person you subscribe directly under you, they'll be your level 1 sponsors. You get £5 a month, not just one off, every month. Every month, they are. This really adds up. You get $5 every month as long as they stay listed. Now, this is why it's really important that you teach them how to make a profit. Your level 2, well, that gets you £4 a month. So you get £5 the first month, £4 the second. As you can see where this is going, for the 3rd level, you get $3. Level 4, you get $2. And for level 5, you get $1. By the way, here is the 10 Plus Club. Now, I called it the 10 Plus Club because I think it's really not very difficult to get 10 new downlines every month. And as you can see, I'll move myself over here. Whew, that makes me feel a bit dizzy. As you can see, I do all the training. So if you come under files here, you'll see all the training I've got already. and I've made a video this morning. I show you how to do things. You can come in here and you can ask as many questions as you like. There's only one stupid question, by the way. That's the one you forget to ask. I've made a video that you can use to promote yourself, and this is working very well. I've actually had a sale off this already, so this is starting to work very well. Okay, so let me just show you very quickly the files. You come in here, and so far, and this will grow. If you want something making, so you understand, I'll make another file for you. You can come in here and you can see that I put everything here for you, making videos. You don't have to do that, by the way. You don't even have to write your own emails. Here's one of the emails I've written for you. This is one of the lifestyle solution emails. In fact, this could even be the one that's got your interest and why you're here. So I make all of it for you, and I'll tell you how to do every bit of it, everything you need to know. So let me show you what you can make from this. Now, I'll just give you a quick overview. Now, I've made another, I've made a spreadsheet here. Okay, just for this particular section, I'm going to minimize myself. Now, I made a spreadsheet, and this is one of my favorite tools, a spreadsheet, because I love to see what the potential of something is. Now, what I've done here, you've got 5 levels. You can see $5 you make to the first level, $4, $3, $2, $1. What I haven't told you yet, if you subscribe 5 people in a week, they give you $100 straight out. $100. So look, let's just put 1 in there. So you get 100 there, 100 there. I don't think this is too hard. I think I'll soon be making lots of $100. Look at that. Before you get any further, you'll have made $400 straight in your pocket. That's not repeated, that's just a one-off. But if you subscribe 1 person every week, so the first week, this is very difficult to get exactly right. You'd need a mathematician to put a very accurate spreadsheet together for you, but you'll see the point I'm trying to make. So if you subscribe to the first week, some of the second week, some of the third week, some of the fourth week, it's going to give you $20 a month. But remember, as long as they stay subscribed, you'll get that $20 every month. So the second month, if you did nothing more, you get $40, then $60, $80, $100, and that'd be worth $1,560 to you in year 1. Now in month 2, let's imagine that you carry on subscribing people every week, but your subscribers, the people that you've subscribed, your downline, they start getting 1 person every week as well. This gets really fascinating. So let's imagine they do 1. Now there's no reason why they should just do 1. They'll probably do a lot more than 1, but we're just going to do this for simple math so you can see where this is going. And by the way, it doesn't take a month. They could be subscribing downliners by next week. So the second month, you could be making across the year $2,800. Month 3, $3,744. In month 4, you see how this is going, isn't it? You were just dropping this down. We imagine that our downline is starting to get subscribers in there. In month 4, that generates us 4,368, and in month 5, across the year, that would generate us 4,600. Now, I'm going to give you a more accurate demonstration now. Let's imagine that every month you subscribe 3 people below you. So 3 people every month across the year is 36 people. Now look at this. This is after you've got 36 people. Let's imagine you start it every month. Okay, it's $180, $360 is just doubling up each month. But at the end of the year, you've generated $14,000. Now it's getting interesting, isn't it? But let's imagine our downline do the same, and they go out and they subscribe 3 people every single month. So 3 times 36 is 118. Now look at this. Suddenly, at the end of the year, you're now making $50,856. I hope this is getting interesting. I'll do 1 more level because this does really get stupid. And these are quite simple numbers. So let's see, what's 3 times 8 is 24. So that's going to be 54,354, isn't it? So 354. That means that your second level gets 3 every, your downline they get 3 each. So you've got 36, so it's 3 times 36, and it's 3 times 118. Look how much you're going to be making. Over $100,000. I'm not going to go any further with this because this just gives you an idea of the potential. And there are people making huge amounts of income doing this exact project. So you can do the same. Now, here we are. I'm inside. I'm just going to make this a bit bigger now. I like to see myself when I'm doing. Here's me inside my Leadgen secret interface. There's my affiliate link. Everyone has their own affiliate link. What I wanted to show you was you get everything you need in here. You can change your account, do whatever you want. You can do recommended advertising, and here you get your affiliates, your downline. You can see who's subscribed underneath you. And I'd like to show you, I want to go through it because you're going to see another video that describes it far better than I can in just a moment from Jim, who is the owner of the system. What I wanted to show you here was this is how you email out. These are the leads you get every day. You can say I get 200 every day, and I'll show you exactly how I use them. But what I'd like to do is I'd like to show you let's show you this one. This is the email that got me a huge amount of, well, it sold me some affiliate products. So all you do is copy and paste. I just reloaded it there. You copy and paste it in here. It's telling me I can't, we can't see this. I wanted to show you how it looks, but basically, you know what an email looks like already. I put the prefix up here, so it'll change that with the recipient's first name. And if you want to know more about it, I'll be glad to tell you. Okay, so I've pretty much showed you all now. I've showed you how it works. I've done a spreadsheet and an example and the costing. You know the cost is $30 to get started, plus $30 every month. So the first month is $60, then it's $30 every month. That's $1 a day for 200 emails. Now, if this interests you, use the link directly below this video, because that is my affiliate link. Now, you want to use my affiliate link for a very, very good reason. As you've already seen, I have a private Facebook group of my own. I call it the 10 Plus Club. It's been crafted for anyone who is my immediate downline. Not just anyone, only my immediate downline. I'll provide you with full training. You can see I'm quite communicative. You won't find me hanging about. I want to see you do well. I want to see you make money. I'll share the emails I'm using. Some are going to do really well. Some are probably not going to do so well. I should have showed you my statistics, actually. You might have liked those. Your success, why am I doing this? Because your success is my success also. If you make money, I make money. So it's in my interest to show you how to make money. It's in my interest to show you how to train your downline, because that's going to put money in both of our pockets. You can see another short video if you click the link directly below this video, and then subscribe and go to the 10 plus area. Now that will be in the link below this video. In the description you'll find a link to it. Go there, and when you subscribe to the 10 Plus Club, just make application to join the members area there, and as soon as I see you my downline, I'll grant access. You can get started virtually immediately. So do you have any comments or questions? Because if you do, please just go straight below this video and ask them, and I will answer them for you. Now, I do want to know if you enjoyed this video. If you do, just if you did rather, would you please give me the blue thumbs up, because that gives me a whole load of feedback. And also, please consider subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe by using the red button and the little bell over here, that means I can keep you updated. Every time you go to YouTube, it'll tell you when I've made a new video. So you don't have to go digging about going, has Kevin made another video? It'll be there for you. It'll tell you what it's about. You can link through to it if you wish. Look, thank you so much for joining me today. I've really enjoyed making this video for you. So I look forward to speaking to you, hopefully in the next one shortly. Bye-bye for now.